Welcome to MySchool training. In this video, we'll be looking at change requests for transferring students between schools. There will be two schools involved in the transfer of a student profile within MySchool. The change request will be initiated by the accepting school, whereas the process will be completed by the current school that holds the record. Here we have a student in Marsa Test School. This student is being transferred to Valletta Test School. Let's start the process. We are now in Valletta Test School. Go to the Quick Links Create and open a new student profile. Let's verify where the test student's record is held. Use their ID card as an identifier and press Enter. A pop-up appears informing you that the student exists within MySchool, but their profile is held within another school. Press OK to initiate the change request. The request screen confirms the student's name and the current location of their profile. The accepting school must specify to which class the student will be attached to. Either enter the name or find it using the folder. The dates of the scholastic year will be added automatically. Change if needed by clicking on the calendar. Add a supporting comment as well if needed. Press Request when finished. The request will now be sent to the student's current school. Go to the Administer menu header and open the Change Requests. In the My Requests tab, you can see the transfer listed as not processed. We are now back in Marsa Test School, and we can check the change requests made to our school. Go to the status and filter by not processed. We can now see the request for the student that needs processing. Click on the student's name to open the request. The change request details appear in a slide over window. We see the request from the accepting school, which in this example is Valletta. The current profile holding school can now approve the change request and end the student record within their school. Enter a comment if needed and then press Approve. We can now see the request as approved. Marsa School will be able to access the historic data held in their school for the student, but will not be able to access data from the new accepting school. Let's check to see that everything is transferred correctly. We are now in the Valletta School and can find the student profile, and the Guardian records are attached. In the Enrollment tab, we see the history of classes that the student has attended with the dates as entered in the change request.